cemetery gates from the 30th of the 5th month of 1446. After orisons, I stood at the cemetery gateway. Our decisions are made, and most of our lives might have gone away. Derision is particularly not the way to approach our insight, blood, and body. Perfection is approached in the waning day of our continual resurrections, taking away with exaltation the memory, legacy, and energy shows what matters anyways. And the following is not a tribute to Pantera or the Smiths or any other such poem or song. But I know the phrase cemetery gates will become the instant thought with that for some people.